How to switch to classic Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you switch to your classic Facebook and change your Facebook layout to the old one. Right now, I do not have the old layout for Facebook, but I want it. So simply open the new tab and search for chromewebstore.google.com. And right here in the search bar, type old layout for Facebook and hit enter. You can see several different Google extensions for Facebook, but you are supposed to click on this one and simply add it to the Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and after it's downloaded, simply click on the extension icon over here and make sure that it's pinned. Now close this window and open a new Facebook tab, and here you can see the old layout for Facebook. This is how you can switch to classic Facebook layout. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.